Hi, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie. I'm here today at Greens Grove Incubator Kitchen in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm going to show you how to make barbecue chicken breast. Super simple recipe. Right here I have about a 5-ounce chicken breast, nice and thick. Here I have a 1/4 cup your favorite barbecue sauce. It doesn't matter. If you're gluten-free, make sure it's a gluten-free barbecue sauce, otherwise whatever you want. Just a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder, paprika. Really, really simple. So you're going to take a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of your onion powder. You're just spicing up your chicken, and the same thing with the paprika. Perfect. Just make sure it's nice and seasoned. Just going to stir it around. Perfect. Okay, there's your spiced chicken breast. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to start by blackening the chicken breast. So turn your stove on. I just have a pan, lightly oiled, sprayed, whatever you want to use. I'm going to stick the chicken breast right on there. Let that start to cook while we get the sauce together. Now this is really, really easy. Starting with your barbecue sauce, you're just going to take a little bit of water to thin it out. And the water is going to cook out as you cook the chicken, so don't worry about it being too watered down. Take a fork and just whisk it together. If you have a whisk, that works great too. Yeah, really watered down barbecue sauce. Spice it up a little bit. Same seasoning, just a little bit of your pepper, a little bit of your onion powder, touch of your salt, and paprika. Get creative. You want to use brown sugar, you want to add some honey to this recipe, you want to make it spicy, go for it. Whatever you want to do. Perfect. Let's check on our chicken. Nice. Let's turn my heat up. All right, so now we're going to take our watered down barbecue sauce, pour it right on top. Now lower your flame and let it simmer. That's it. You're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. You want everything to get nice and golden. You want that sauce to cook down so it's nice and thick. And then I'll show you how to plate it up. So it's really, really simple. Now I have a finished plate to show you. So take your chicken breast, slice it nicely, add a little barbecue sauce so you can dip it in, a veggie or coleslaw, whatever you want to put on the side. And then, as always, just garnish with whatever you put inside it. So you just do a little paprika, and let's put something green on it. Just a little fresh parsley right on top. And that's it. Barbecue chicken breast. Again, I'm Chef Laura with Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie here at Greens Grove Community Kitchen. That's how you make barbecue chicken breast. Enjoy.